If you're the bad guy on the ground and two of these things are sitting on your head, you got a whole world of grief. The airplane is incredibly maneuverable at low speed and operating as a pair. Two of these planes with its ammo drum and everything, it's the size of a Volkswagen Beetle. Of course, the A-10 can also carry incredible armament under the wing. Just an outrageous load of armament, well more than any World War II bomber could carry. But the main feature of the airplane is its incredible maneuverability down low. Ability to turn, kick around, make it a very difficult target to hit. The other thing is that it does get hit because of the way it's built. And this, by the way, built originally by Republic, the same company that built the P-47 Thunderbolt you saw out here earlier. Lights on, gear down, flaps out. Okay, I lied about the lunch bag part. And a perfect landing. Woo, nearly. Approaches. Saw the other guy land, says I got to do at least as well. See if I can do that little kiss-on jobby here. Look at this. Woo! Oh, that was slick.
The 104th Fighter Wing is selling t-shirts, lithos, and other